everyone. My name is Janet and I am a health coach. I come on and do these videos for you so you can learn some healthy recipes that are easy for you to make at home. I like to teach people that you can navigate your kitchen and eat healthy, adopt healthy habits, and really be successful in your life plan of eating good food. Tonight I wanted to make a fish dish that I'm going to make. So I have some wonderful, beautiful, fresh halibut. They're really big fillets and these are wild caught. The fish that I buy is always wild caught fish. And I'm going to dip it in egg, dip it in a flour mixture, and then there's a couple of different ways you could cook it. I'm going to use my air fryer and put it in there. If you were making this at home, you can put it in a fry pan with butter and fry it that way. You could put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. It is very thick, but with the breading, it's going to cook encased, and it's super fresh, so I'm excited about that. I have one egg that I scrambled and added a tablespoon of water, and that's going to be part of our dipping mixture. I'm kind of doing it like an Asian bent with some Asian flavors in it. For this bowl, I have a mixture of coconut flour and cassava flour. So I am keeping it gluten-free. I'm going to put that right in my bowl. I wanted the coconut flour to give it that coconut flavor, right? That beautiful coconut flavor. And then I have also some shredded coconut, and I'm going to put, so it's basically equal amounts. And then to that, I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of sea salt and some black pepper, some crushed black pepper. And I have some Chinese 5-spice. This has cinnamon, star anise, fennel, ginger, cloves, white pepper, and licorice root. So it's got a really lovely light flavor. I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of that in there. And I am going to put some cumin as well, the same amount, a half a teaspoon. And then you just take your fork, I'll grab a fork, and mix that up. And that becomes the breading mixture. So I'm going to get that lovely coconut flavor from my coconut halibut fish dinner tonight. I'm going to make a sauce for it as well that I can drizzle on top, and I'm going to show you how to make that sauce. To do the fish, it's really simple. You just dip it in the egg, dip it in your flour mixture all over, let it sit for a second, and I'm going to repeat with this guy. The reason you do the egg and the flour is to help the flour stay on. If you don't do the egg, then the flour doesn't stay on as well. If you are vegan, you would have to do it without the egg. So I'm just going to let that sit while I show you how I make. I'm going to rinse my hands off here. I'm going to show you how I make the sauce that I'm going to use for it. So the dipping part is simple. For the sauce, I'm going to use equal parts liquid aminos, which is gluten-free soy sauce, about a tablespoon. I'm going to go 2 tablespoons. I have organic tahini, which is sesame seed butter, basically paste. This adds a beautiful nutty flavor to it. It's kind of the secret ingredient in a sauce like this where you say, wow, what is that that's in there that tastes so good? I'm going to use about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Toasted sesame oil has a ton of flavor. And then I'm going to use some rice vinegar. And I'm going to put in a little bit of honey. This is a really cool little honey thing. It takes it out, so I'm going to put about a tablespoon of that in there. And that's it. Then when my fish is done, I have a really nice sauce to put on top. Okay, I lied. I have two other ingredients to go on. I have some ginger root. So if you've never used fresh ginger, this is a ginger root. Don't be afraid of it. You just take a potato peeler and peel the skin off. And then I use my microplane and grate it. And then you get that beautiful ginger flavor. That's how easy that is. And then garlic, 1 clove of garlic. So ginger, garlic, tahini paste, the liquid aminos, sesame oil, rice vinegar. You've got a nice little sauce, so when my fish is done, I can drizzle it on top. I've also made a salad that we're going to have that has as many colors of the rainbow that I can get in. It's with a lot of different greens and cabbage and cilantro and sliced almonds, cucumber, bell pepper. So we're going to have our salad and fish in a little while. I hope you enjoyed these videos as much as I enjoy making them for you and that you're learning something with it. Please leave me any messages you have down below and I will definitely respond. And I hope you are learning how to navigate your kitchen and eat some healthy dishes. Enjoy your evening. I'm Janet with Here For You Health Coach. Bye-bye.